superhero. Scarlet Witch, yes. Kamukha mo siya. Hawig niya, hawig mo. Parang hindi ba? Parang si Wanda. Ayaw nga. Diba?
Careful.
Yeah. This is where we will warn you.
Parang pangbato namin na malinis na walang bala.
Ito yung girls' room.
Pasensya na medyo makalat. May plansyahan pa din. So, ito yung ating IKEA furniture. This is the open kitchen.
As a broker, as a real estate broker.
This is furnished by IKEA po yung whole
Ito na, siya na.
Yes. Okay.
Ikaw na mag-ano, Charlie.
Ikaw na, Charlie.
Charlie,
As your future duo.
Yes! Ako lang po pala yung walang duo ngayon.
Ah.
So tayo po yung magka-pair after this, di ba kuya?
Ito ba?
Diba
We don't know.
We don't know actually. Pero ito yung plancha, we just got this today.
Yes.
Not sponsored.
Parang medyo amoy sunog. Sino ang nagplansya today, ha? Medyo
Sila.
next, can I see
This is the table.
Actually,
At first, dinagdagan kami kasi may dalawa kaming nakasama pero in the 1 week na wala sila.
okay.
So we're all sitting here round and round and round.
Okay.
And then this is the
Living.
living room. As you can see, it's a green. It's very cozy, very comfy. Muntik na kami matulog.
Probably put your
buzzer.
photo,
And fun fact, fun fact, yung buzzer pala, it's very, ganun
Yeah,
siya.
you'll hear it.
Yeah.
Fudgy bar, snack bar, take anything.
As you can see, makapuno yung naubos agad.
Oo nga.
My favorites na din kami.
Makapuno.
Yeah.
Pero na, refill to like
Every day.
every
And also, we
day.
have Dunkin'. Pero